Welcome to this edition of Frank Friday. My name is Lee Jackson, and today I want to challenge the concept of free. Now, very often we are encouraged to create free value. So to lead with something that is free and valuable that will then allow us to generate leads. It allows us to build credibility. It allows us to build trust. And this is a very effective method of marketing your business. And it's something that I would actively encourage. We produce this YouTube channel and we also produce our podcast completely free. And we also run our Facebook group and manage that again on our own cost as a completely free service. And that's phenomenal. It does allow us to generate leads, etc. And it also raises the profile and allows us to create a bigger and a better and a stronger brand. This is all good. However, I do believe that there has become this expectation that all sorts of really highly valuable things should be free. And frankly, I find that pretty disrespectful. We've got some really great friends here at Agency Trailblazer who produce some phenomenal courses. They work so hard to produce and provide amazing value, and they don't necessarily charge loads of money. And yet I'm hearing and I'm seeing people complaining, saying, oh, this should be free, or that's too expensive. I'm worried that the amount of free stuff that people are being provided is therefore damaging their concept of value and appreciating investing in something that is good. I don't believe that if somebody grabs something for free that they're necessarily going to take action on that and actually change their life or change their business. But if they are willing to invest in themselves, to purchase something and then work on that element, that thing that they found valuable, I do believe that that will create change in their lives. A really good example would be just days ago, I invested in Pete Everett's SEO course because I recognized that there was a problem with our SEO, and I recognized the value of his expertise and his experience, and I wanted to invest in the product, the course that he was selling. Now, by me paying that money into that course, I was now invested in that. And I pushed through those first two modules so that we could start to take action. I had invested money, so it was cost to me. And I wanted to make sure that that cost to me would therefore pay me back, would return on that investment. And we're already being able to action some phenomenal advice from that course. I'm worried that there is a culture and an expectation nowadays that we should get stuff for free at the expense of some wonderful content creators. How about you? What are your thoughts on this? Have you found yourself expecting things for free? Have you found yourself challenging people on the prices that they are offering their courses, their downloads on? Do you think there is an entitlement problem in our industry? Do you think there is a lack of respect for the amazing content that some of these creators are creating? What are your thoughts? Am I overthinking this? Let's have a conversation in the comments below. Folks, if you are not part of our community, then you can check that out over on agencytrailblazer.com/group. It's a free one. If, however, you want to invest in yourself, be sure to check out our premium community on agencytrailblazer.com. If we don't see you in the communities, we will see you in the next episode.